Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply the filters effect only to background. So for example, I'm going to add the photo to the track, so you can um, select filters that you like. For example, I'm going to select VNW, just add to the track and from one clip select the clips, right click and create component clip. Go to media and import, add the um the same clip, put on top as an overlay, and you can go to cutout to remove the background. So I'm going to add the auto cutout. So you can see the filters only applies to the background. So it's very simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.